Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Xiaomi Redmi 12C, and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and then let's tap on About Phone. Now let's tap on Backup and Restore, and as you can see right here, we've got a whole Google Backup section. If you for some reason cannot find a backup account, which is crucial because here we can add it, or it is not available to click on it, it simply means that you've got the Backup My Data option turned off. So as you can see, it will be inactive. So remember about first of all turning it on, and then let's tap on Backup Account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone in this section. And just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol. And after tapping on next, your device will autofill it. So right now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course I highly recommend to check them. Just tap on those highlighted options, and then you will be transferred to the proper section, and after reading, tap on next. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, but let me tap on accept because we will have it shown in a better way as you can see in a Google one. So here we've got the same information which was mentioned before, that we can use 15 gigabytes of Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. What's more, your device will backup the data automatically, and it will store it on the Google account, and you will be able to manage it whenever you want. So just tap on turn on. And as you can see, we just got back to this section. All we can customize right here is the automatic restore, so you can decide if you want to restore the data, the backed up data, if you will reinstall the app. As I said, it's up to you. So basically that's all. This is how to enable the Google Backup in your Xiaomi Redmi 12C. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.